Welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are making spinach pesto. For this recipe, you're going to need a blender. A high-speed blender is going to work a little bit better. Mine's even a vacuum blender, and that's not needed, but I'm going to use it just because I have it. To start out this recipe, you're going to thaw 10 ounces of frozen spinach. You can do that in the microwave. No need to drain it, and into the blender it goes. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. One-fourth a cup of Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons of dried parsley flake. Two teaspoons of garlic powder. And half a teaspoon of dried basil leaves. I'm also going to add 2/3 of a cup of water. If you find you like your sauce a little thicker, then don't add as much water. If you like it a little thinner, then add a little bit more water. Please yourself and your family. Put the lid on. Now we're going to pull a vacuum. As I said, this part is totally optional, but because I'm using my DynaPro machine, which if you'd like more information on the DynaPro, you're welcome to watch my DynaPro unboxing. We'll link that below. And just push the button. Here we go. Okay, the vacuum has been pulled, so we're going to take that part off and then turn the machine on. Or maybe I turned it off. Let's do, oh, you gotta wait for the beep. That's right. I'm still new with this DynaPro. Now, if you like your pesto sauce a little on the chunkier side, then don't process quite as long. But my boys like it very smooth, so I process it until everything is smooth. Be healthy and keep on cooking.